Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to split video on Canva and mobile. Now, if you find this video helpful, like and subscribe would mean a lot. Alright, let's dive in. Okay, now first of all, just click on the video which you want to split. Now, go on bottom, slide to the right and you will see this option split. Just click on it and your video will be split into two different parts like this. Okay, now make sure to add transition between these two videos. Click on this plus icon, click on transition and select whatever transition you like. Adding transition is important because your video will look good. Otherwise, it will not look that much good. As you can see. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.